into an open-air prison. So I feel that, they have further alienated the Kashmiris. The future is very bleak, not only for J&K, but for the whole country, for the whole subcontinent.
Mehbooba ji, how will the people of Kashmir respond?
Well, this is not only going to alienate Indian Muslims further, it's also going to terrorize them and serve them as a warning that every Indian Muslim, he has to fall in line. Otherwise, he'll be stripped of whatever dignity he has been left with. And they have already started the process of reducing Indian Muslims to second-class citizens.
And what does it mean for Kashmir now?
We, the people of Kashmir, our leadership who had aligned with India with great hope and rejected two-nation theory, it seems that, we were wrong in choosing India over Pakistan.